Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have an unboxing, the Sparkling Celebrations Paper Pumpkin Kit from May 2026. Our Stampin' Spot this month is Misty Moonlight. Our stamp set, which I'll get to in a moment. So here's our stamp set. A Wishing You Happiness, You Are Invited, Time to Celebrate, and we have a really cute fireworks, little stars. This is supposed to be a treetop. Colors this month are Blackberry Bliss, Coastal Cabana, Daffodil Delight, Hydrangea Hue, Melon Mambo, Misty Moonlight, Night of Navy, Pumpkin Pie, Black, and Silver. And here are the suggested ways to put them together. I like this one. And pictorial instructions if you need them. First up are some adhesive back gems in mini dimensionals. We have tear and tape. Our envelopes, ooh, look at these. There's 3 of this one. So it's 3 each. All beautiful card base. Number 1. Oops. It does go this way because they're up in the sky. And there's little bits of silver foil on here. Really cute design on this one. All I can think of is the movie Tangled when I see these lanterns. Our fireworks die cuts and a lamp post. So we have, this one is individual. Very cute. Card base number 2. Oh, and this is going to be great to cut this off, to use the back side of this one as just printed paper. Love the little stars all over that. Our little window scene. There's 3 of these. Just going to punch these all out at once, especially when you have these narrow bits here. When you punch them out together, it gives it a little more strength and doesn't seem to tear as easily. So like that. How cute. Card base number 3. Just loaded with stars. Look at those. They should have a full 12 by 12 sheet with this pattern, with these little stars. And we have our banners. So we have this style. And a flagged version. And then this one here is a very interesting, oh, it's a window ledge, I think. Yep, window ledge. And we get, is it 4 of everything? Double check. So definitely 4 of those. Yes, we get 4 of everything. I like that. So you have 1 extra in case you goof one up. Though you can turn them over on the back side as well. So just punch all these out so they don't get bent up. And then all our other little die cuts. The lanterns and the light bulbs. So let's play with these a little bit. Oh, look at that. Okay, I see how this goes. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? Pop that up on dimensionals. Get the idea of that. Very cute. This one here, the light bulb post goes down here. I'm not sure why you would cluster all of these around here. That looks odd to me. So we add more lanterns and then pop your window scene on there. That's quite cute. And look how clever this stamp is. So it's a treetop, but there's no green ink included in the kit. We have blue ink on the yellow paper, and you get green trees. How clever. And same over here. Be on the lookout for my alternatives coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.